Hello, my name is Shivam Dangwal and welcome to Physics for Cause. In this particular course of computational physics, I will be going to explain you about how to create programs related to various topics. Okay, so this is the practical implementation of what we have learned. So first question is write a program to obtain temperature in Celsius and convert into degree Fahrenheit. Being a student of physics, we must understood the concept of the temperature. What exactly is temperature? And we all can answer this very well. The temperature is the degree of coldness and hotness of an object. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कितना हॉट है और कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कितना कोल्ड है उसका जो डिग्री है दैट टर्म इज रेफर्ड टू एज अ टेम्परेचर. And this concept is very useful in the field of thermodynamics or thermal physics, I would say. So we have three units of temperature which we are going to deal in the thermal physics. So number one is about the degree Celsius, second is about the Fahrenheit, and third one is about the Kelvin. But in this particular practical implementation, I would be just showcasing you how to obtain input from the user in terms of degree Celsius and convert it into degree Fahrenheit. If I would say you have to do it manually by using a pen or paper, but you will apply the formula. This is the formula: degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. This is the exact formula for the conversion of degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. And I will also be going to use this particular formula in my Python ideally 3.9.0 shell. So let's begin with the Python script mode. So I am opening my Python script mode and I have saved it as bn.py. Okay, so .py extension is the saved version of the Python. So first of all, I am creating a comment by pressing the hash key. So Celsius into Fahrenheit I am converting, Fahrenheit. So this is what is the comment by using the hash symbol, and this one is optional. Okay, so I am defining cells as the what? As the variable. And in physics, if you are going to talk about the advanced physics, we will be going to use the decimal values for the Celsius. So for decimal, I would write here float, and I want to get input from the user. So input, and what I want as an argument, likewise enter temperature in Celsius. So it looks fine, so I would just make this bracket close. Okay, so this is how the Celsius input get commanded by the programmer. Okay, so this is what, so I would make a print for this as well, so that it will be easier to analyze in the output. So temperature in Celsius is, and comma, and this value is what? This value will be what? This value will be cells. Why? Because I have defined the Celsius by the variable cells. So this is what exactly I have to do. Now I will make Fahrenheit with F. So F will be what? Equal to degree Celsius multiply by 9 by 5 plus 32 plus 32. And I would make a print for this as well. What? Temperature in Fahrenheit is, I would make it as F. Why? Because I have defined the variable for the Fahrenheit as small f. I would just resize this. I would make Control S, and I would make run by simply pressing this command. So enter temperature in degree Celsius. For example, I would create 45. So here comes the output in Fahrenheit. If I would close this and run again, run, enter degree in Celsius, so I would say 0 degree, and here comes 32 degree Fahrenheit. One more interesting thing I want to tell you about that, when we are going to talk about in the mathematics or either physics, we must know that there is one number which is exactly same in the Celsius as well as in degree Fahrenheit. उस नंबर को अगर आप डिग्री सेल्सियस से डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट में कन्वर्ट करो, चाहे डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट को डिग्री सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट करो, दैट नंबर इज सेम एंड दैट नंबर इज -40. Here comes the -40. So this is what exactly the beauty of here Python programming language look like, where I can solve a numerous and huge number sets in just single program by creating this particular program. So I hope that you got the concept of how to obtain the temperature in Celsius and convert it into Fahrenheit by just using this simple formula. What is the formula? Degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32.